While sitting, lay your left foot flat on the floor, sitting on it, and keep the right foot in the upright position, with its toes bent and pointing towards the direction of Qibla. Keep your hands flat on your thighs, without gaps between the fingers. This is the authentic form of Sunnah for sitting between the two prostrations, which is known as al-iftirash. It is from the Sunnah to say while sitting in this position, Rabbi ghfirli, Rabbi ghfirli, which means, O my Lord, forgive me, O my Lord, forgive me. You could repeat this as many times as you wish. You may also say, Rabbi ghfirli warhamni, wajburni warfa'ni, wahdini wa'afini warzuqni, which means, O Allah, forgive me, have mercy upon me, console me, guide me, and grant me good health and sustenance. This is a great supplication which combines both the good of this life and the hereafter. To concur with the Sunnah, you shall make sitting between the two prostrations equal in duration to that of your prostration, as there are 4 pillars of prayer which you should make similar in duration. These are bowing, ruku', standing up after bowing, prostration, sujood, and sitting between the two prostrations. Now go down to the second sujood while saying Allahu Akbar, repeating the same supplications and maintaining the same position described during the first sujood. You shall then raise your head from the second sujood and sit very briefly on the floor. Then, using your hands while closed in a fist, stand up to perform the second rak'ah in the same manner described earlier. Sitting briefly after the second sujood, which is known as Jilsatul Istiraha, meaning the rest sitting, is also repeated after the third rak'ah in a 4 rak'ah prayer. After completing the second sujood of the second rak'ah, raise your head while saying Allahu Akbar and sit on the floor for tashahhud. Sitting for tashahhud at the end of a 2 rak'ah prayer shall be done in the same manner as sitting between the two prostrations in the position known as al-iftirash. You shall also sit in the same manner, al-iftirash, during the first tashahhud of the 3 or 4 rak'ah prayers. While sitting for tashahhud, place your left hand flat on your left knee. Place your right hand on your right thigh with your right fingers closed in a fist, except the index finger. The form of positioning the right index finger in the Sunnah is to raise it, slightly curved and pointed towards the direction of Qibla, while moving it during supplication. You shall also join your thumb and middle finger of the right hand forming the shape of a ring. Another form of doing this is to place your thumb tightly on the middle finger. Both these forms are reported to have been practiced by the Prophet ﷺ.